CMO School of Paradise. The People's Custom Production Water Company is authorized by the Regional Fund Association, the Regional Management Committee, and the Naga Talent Foundation. This operation of the SMCC here in Naga.
Hey man, ay tulak ko. Ay tulak. Ay daing, anong wait ka? Ay tulak, gawat.
Pwede yan, patumay ko.
Ay, sorry. Sure, after the first round, report 1, 2-1, in favor of Carlos Santorio.
Kulba, yun ang kulba niya na tumay ko, sure ako.